Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday the 23rd, 2022. Today's video, I'm doing a collaboration with the USIM, better known as a Heicard. This is similar to the GV Pro. This is the Heicard RS, and this is similar to the smart card. This is this is supposed to be a easy setup or easy unlocking solution from Heicard. This is an automatic ICCID, so there is no need for configuration. Everything is done over the air. As long as you have Wi-Fi, this unlock chip will look for the most active ICCID on the website. So there is no more configurations. Everything is done automatically for you, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Like I said, I don't sell this on my website. I'm just doing a collaboration with the USIM Heicard team. They have a new solution coming soon, which is everything is going to be done via over the air. So that means no more RSIMs, no more chips. Everything is going to be done via eSIM. I don't have anything in concrete right now for that. So right now I'm just doing this for a collaboration for Heicard to show you how it's done. If you need any assistance, if you know how if you want to know where you get it, a link will be provided on the bottom of the comments, so you can go get them. They will provide all the support you need. If you have any questions, reach out to them. So let's begin. Okay, so I have two iPhones, iPhone SE 2020, iPhone XR. Both of them are in the newest iOS. That's the most important thing. You need to be updated to the latest iOS 15.3.1, and right now I have SIM not supported. As you know before, you need to have a specific ICCID for AT&T or a specific ICCID for other than AT&T. In this case, with chip will allow us to unlock all the carriers. So as you can see, I had two Verizons with SIM not supported. And I can show you here, general, about, it is, this one is running on iOS 15.3, and this one is SIM lock. As you can see, SIM lock, click on it, and they give you the carrier restrictions, or the carrier restricted, that is only restricted for, I believe this is a T-Mobile, and it's on 13.3. This one, it is an SE 2020. This one is SE 15.3.1, and as well it is SIM lock. It says it may be restricted. This is AT&T. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use this new USIM Heicard SIM card. It says this is how it is: big data, over the air ICCID. On the back there is a little QR code, and on the bottom here it is the website, or how you get any kind of support, ICCID online. But if you want to know how you get it or where you can get it from, I will post the link on the description. Okay, I don't do any support for them right now. And just like I said, I'm just doing a collaboration for them, so I can show you there's other ways. So let's begin. I'm gonna take this off. It's a nano SIM card, and this is supposed to be over the air. As long as you are connected to Wi-Fi. Let's give one more test. I'm gonna put my Verizon. I'm just waiting for the SIM not supported. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna grab my Heicard card or SIM card, unlock card, put it in. Let me put this on the side for now. Dismiss. So this ICCID, well, the system automatically is gonna pick up this number. I believe you're gonna hit accept and continue as you normally do. There you go. Take it to the right away. We didn't do anything. Let me close the settings. Go back to general, about, SE 15.3.1, and now no SIM restrictions. Okay, take it out, and I'm gonna grab my Verizon. And I don't have any service on the SIM card, so I just testing it with it. It says there's no service. But it should be able to read my network. It should display Verizon. There you go, guys. Verizon's. Let me do a test card real quick. I do have a Spectrum Mobile, which is Verizon. Let's test that one real quick. So my Spectrum. Just waiting for the service or the signal to be picked up. Okay, Spectrum. Let's see if it's picking a Spectrum. Let's pick him up a Spectrum.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile.
Okay, Spectrum Mobile. So this iPhone has been unlocked, ready to work with any carrier. So we're gonna use the same chip, same Heicard chip. This one belongs to this one. And I'm gonna do a test once again. I'm gonna take my Spectrum. I'm gonna wait for the activation screen. And I'm waiting for the SIM not supported. Okay, SIM not supported. It's okay. In this case, this iPhone is running XR 15.3. I'm gonna grab the Heicard SIM card. Remember, we don't have to do anything. Supposedly this smart card or this card does everything automatically. So let me close everything, put it in. I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna hit dismiss, and the system automatically detects this ICCID. I'm gonna hit accept and continue. 15.3, continue, and I'm waiting for the activation screen. There you go. Go back to general, about, and no SIM restrictions. iPhone XR 15.3. Take this Heicard out, and I'm going to use my Spectrum. I'm waiting for the service to be picked up. Spectrum test call.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may...
Okay guys, that's how this Heicard SIM card works. This is how it looks like. Big data. Big data OTA, that means over the air ICCID. And this is a website, www.iccid.online, and I'm gonna leave the link where you can get this from. I believe you can get them on Amazon, I think. They have this reusable unlock chips, and they have the more traditional ones like our sims, like Gaby's and things like that. This is the same. This is the single RS. This works for iPhones 6s all the way to the iPhone X, and they got the double ones. This one that can wrap around and make like a little sandwich between your SIM card, like this. This can fit to the iPhone XS to the 13 Pro Max. So you have different options to choose from. So this is Heicard. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.